Introducing the WALKE H9 AWD electric bike designed for unparalleled power, versatility, and adventure. Experience the ultimate in power with the WALKE H9's dual brushless motors. Equipped with a 750W front motor and a 1000W rear motor, this bike peaks at a combined 2,800 watts, reaching speeds up to 33 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or tackling steep terrains, the H9 delivers impressive acceleration and climbing capabilities. Switch between 3 riding modes for optimal performance. RWD mode, maximize distance with minimal power usage. FWD mode, navigate loose terrain, slippery surfaces, or snow with ease. AWD mode, conquer the steepest and most challenging terrains effortlessly. Say goodbye to range anxiety with the WALKE H9's massive 40Ah/60Ah removable lithium battery. With a total capacity of 1920 Wh/2880 Wh, you can charge in 7 to 9 hours and ride longer, covering wider areas and embarking on epic adventures without worrying about running out of juice. Designed for stability and safety, the WALKE H9 features 20-inch lockable hydraulic suspension, dual rear shock absorbers, and robust 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires. This setup ensures you can handle any terrain with ease, providing a superior mountain riding experience. Stay connected and in control with the high-tech full-color smart screen. Equipped with a USB port, mobile app control, GPS navigation, and anti-theft features, this bike enhances your riding experience. Plus, the screen helps you monitor speed, battery level, and more, making every ride smarter and more convenient. Worried about losing your bike? The WALKE H9 works with Apple Find My, allowing you to use the app to locate and recover your lost e-bike. Ride with confidence day or night, thanks to integrated LED lights that ensure excellent visibility. The high-performance hydraulic brakes with 4 pistons and larger 203mm thicker rotors provide reliable stopping power, keeping you safe on every ride. Unleash the power, embrace the adventure, and redefine your ride with the WALKE H9 AWD electric bike. Whether it's daily commuting, mountain trails, or urban exploration, this bike is your ticket to a more relaxed, convenient, and exhilarating journey. Discover the WALKE H9 AWD electric bike today and transform your travel experience.